Howdy ho, bitches! Welcome back to another super duper exciting episode of GB's super spectacular unboxing adventures. But unfortunately, we've got a problem. Empty tuksh. I was gonna say pudel at a tuksh, it's not a pudel. Bunch, it's a can. Bunch at a tuksh. So, it is November 1st, 2020. It was Halloween yesterday. This is an unboxing video. Got my tape measure out to measure the box. That's not the box. But we need to get a beer. But just to show you what's going on November 1st, 2020, let's just stop this and look out the front door. Give me a second, shall you? And I got no cheers, big ears. I gotta go out and get beer. Woo! I need a beer from the garage. Alright, see ya. Okay, bitches. Sorry, I know this is an unboxing video, but this is the 1st of November, 2020. And my beer is empty. And yes, there are footprints because someone was just here. And someone brought me a dozen beers. So, fuck yeah. Thank you. But, here you go. Yeah. It's like 9:30 at night. And this is an unboxing video. But I need a beer. So I'll be right back. Alright, bitches. Woo! Sorry for that weather interruption. But it's the first snowfall of the year, so I always do record it. Having some fucking Carling, bitches. Woo! Cheers, big ears. Tonight's box is made of cardboard. It's 7 inches by 4 inches by 2 inches, and it's actually like 7 by 2 by 4. It's a real 2 by 4, not like the fucking lumber, which is not 2 by 4. It is white, black, blue, orange, red, and that's about it. It has lots of words on it. It's made out of cardboard. It weighs 1 kilogram. We've already given you the dimensions. It weighs 1 kilogram. Cheers, big ears. Let's drink some more, because I'm pretty fucked up. I'm high and I'm drunk. It's okay. When you shake it, it sounds like this. Okay? It has words on it. Like I said, it is cardboard. And it looks like this. Woo! Sel de mer. Oh, sorry. Sel de mer. Sea salt. Heavenly spices. $1 at the Dollarama for 1 kilogram of sea salt. It's iodized though. Product of Israel. I'm not against them. They make good fucking guns, tell you that. Give me a fucking Tavor in 7.62 any fucking day. Oh, over anything fucking made in the United States, tell you that. There you go. But, is it really sea salt in here? We have to unbox this. It says sea salt. There's some kind of fucking nutritional facts. They don't make glasses on it, I don't give a fuck. What does salt have in it? Sodium. Don't think anything else. And fucking iodine, apparently. So, and we got it in French, too. Okay? If you don't know how to spell Israel in French, it's like that. I can't do it. I don't speak French. Sel de mer. Alright, let's open this bitch up. But, here. Cheers, big ears. Oh, it does have a fucking spout where you can open this paper. Oh, and salt expires. You know what? Salt's been around for like millions of years, but apparently if you put it in a box or some kind of packaging, it expires. I had no idea. Like, what the fuck? How does that happen? 2022. Alright, well, fuck, who knows? Alright, let me get a container and, yeah, I'll be back. Give me a second. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Alright, I get a container. You've seen it in other videos. I use this all the time. Just says salt, but I only buy sea salt. I don't buy normal salt, even though not too far from here we have the largest in-ground salt mine on earth in Goderich, Ontario. I buy the sea salt. Okay, and I'm not going to use this fucking spout. Fuck the spout. The spout expired. I'm going to open her fucking right up. Should I get a knife? I'll get a knife. Let's fucking knife it. But wait, listen. Let's get some asthma for all them fucking cockholes. Here, listen. Asthma. Oh look, the box is opening. Oh my god. Fuck, get ready. Unbox a boner. Holy shit. Wait. Listen. Oh, fuck me. Oh my god. Oh, listen. Fucking cocksuckers. Look, see the salt. See the sea salt? There you go. Okay. Fucking assholes. Cheers, big ears. Unboxaboners. It's unboxing. That's unboxing porn right there. Unboxing asthma. All them assholes are just whipping their fucking skippies. There you go. See? It is salt. But I can't tell if it's from the sea. Or they had settling ponds and dried it out and blah blah blah. And oh my god. Did they actually harvest the salt from the sea? Oh. People are so fucking stupid these days. The internet is making everybody a fucking dumbass. Hey, oh, I wasn't planning on that happening. That's pretty cool. Salt. Seldomer, bitches. There you go. How about that? Woohoo! Ready to go. This is, after all, a cooking fucking channel. Do you not use salt in cooking? Hey, I unbox salt. You got a problem with me unboxing things that you don't like? I don't care. RTFO, mofos. And drink up, buttercup. Cheers, big ears. Woo! Why does he always play Halo music when he has Fallout shit around? Inquiring minds want to know.